right. Let's see what we can do here. Like I said, water's a little off color. And my GoPro remote's low, but thankfully we won't need that. It's not as important. It's definitely not ideal conditions, but it's fishable. I gotta go a little deeper here. I think I'm a little too shallow. Starting out with a nymph on the bottom and then estaseg on top. Chartreuse estaseg and just a black nymph. It's usually a pretty good combination for me. There he is. That's a nice fish too. Went a little deeper, a little more weight. Picked him right up. I think that fish took that top fly. Oh. Yeah, took the estaseg. Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh. We're gonna beach this fish a little bit. Oh. Nice fish there. Oh. Ah, that's a nice male. Look at the size of that. Come on. That is a nice male. Yep. Get him back in there. Oh. Oh. What's up, Matt? How are you? Good. I landed a nice one around the corner. No, I swear. I got a video.
Man, right before you came here, I landed a nice one.
No, like right after I got off the phone with you, a nice male. Yeah. And then my SD card, I must have forgot to delete everything. So I had to come and get my other one. Dude, I'm a mess today. Forgot my wading jacket. Somehow I have one glove, so I'm using this giant meaty work glove.
That's horrible.
Yeah, it is. It sucks. I hate this glove on my hand, but my hand was so cold. No, because it's this hand that I hold my rod with. Yeah, dude, picked up a nice male though. That's a nice hole down there. What'd you say? Yeah, no, yeah, fish this whole thing. I just started this section here. But I think that's I've had more luck out of that hole down there where the wall is. Yeah, it's kind of cold out. Matt just had one out and lost it. He's throwing a white Mr. Twister. It was a nice hit too. It's the same hole I picked one up earlier before he got here. I'm confident though he's going to get another one. Maybe not today, but sometime in his life.
No comment.
Oh, that's the cast. I feel it. Looked exactly like the one last time. Well, we switched spots, and this water is clear on this side, on this creek. Another Lake Erie trib. This has always been a good hole here, so we'll work this and see if we can't pick up a couple fish. Zipping through there. Wind's right in my face. There we go. Better. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm too deep here. Well, we'll stick with it here and see what happens. There you go, Matt. Nice job. That's two now. That was a nice fish too. There he is, Matt. Yeah. Oh! There he is. It's a nice hen too, I think. Took that top fly again. Oh, I'm wrapped around. Oh, there we go. Oh. Wow, it's a It's a pretty hen. That's a nice hen. Whew. Let's get her back in there. Oh. So she's up and going. I knew there was a fish in that hole. There was no way it wasn't. Camera died, so this one's getting released on the phone as I was fighting it. Away he goes. And a nice female. Away she goes. Alright, just got off the stream. I ended up going, fished 2 different Erie trips. First one I fished was about a foot visibility. I ended up landing a nice male. Then I ended up going to a different one, and it was pretty much on a clear side. It had a very light stain, and it went 3 for 4. So overall, it was a good day. I didn't get everything on the GoPro because I forgot to clear the memory card before I put it in. So rookie mistake. But overall, really good day for February 18th. I mean, I was excited to get out. Haven't been out in a little while now, and I was just hoping to get one, but ended up being much better than I thought. So I appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you next time I get out.